My dear children, in our previous lesson, we discussed how to use capital letters in written English language. Today, we are going to discuss some more examples of using capital letters in written English language. Look at the following examples. Names of government bodies. What do you mean by government bodies? That means government institutions such as electricity board, municipal council, water board, department, education, and so on. Look at the first letter of each institution. Electricity board. We use a capital letter with the beginning of the name of the institution. Here, capital E, electricity, and the beginning of the second word of the institution, capital B with the word board. Look at the other examples also. Look at the next example. Names of nationalities. What do you mean by nationalities? I'm a Sinhalese. What is your nationality? Are you an Indian? Are you a Japanese? Or are you an English? Mahatma Gandhi is an Indian. And Prince Charles, who is he? He is an English. We also use capital letters with the names of languages. English is a language. You are learning English now. Tamil, Sinhala, French are also languages. The first letter of a name of a language begins with a capital letter. English, capital E. Tamil, capital T. Sinhala, capital S. And French, capital F. Our next example of using capital letters. Names of religions. My religion is Buddhism. What is your religion? Is your religion Christianity? or Hinduism. The first letter of a name of a religion also begins with a capital letter. Look at this example. The first letter of a sentence that is a direct quote. Look at the examples given below. First example. Shall we read the sentence given here? The teacher asked, "Did you do homework?" Now look at this part. It's a direct quote. This is what the teacher asked. What did the teacher ask? The teacher asked, "Did you do homework?" Then what did the students say? The students said, "Yes, we did." This is the direct quote. Yes, we did. That means, what did students say? Now look at the quotes given here. Did you do homework? Look at the first letter of the quote. It has started with a capital letter. Here also, it starts with a capital letter. Now look here. We use capital letters with names of bodies of water. Look at the examples given here. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is a body of water. And also the Nile. The Nile is also a body of water. Here, the first letter of bodies of water starts with a capital letter. Indian Ocean. The word Indian starts with capital I, and also the word ocean starts with capital O. Here also the Nile, capital T and capital N. My dear students, I think you have got an idea of using capital letters in written English language. And we will meet again with a new lesson. Before ending up today's lesson, I would like to give you some activities. Activity number 1. Shall we read the question here? Rewrite the sentences using capitals where necessary. Here are 3 sentences. All these 3 sentences have written without capital letters. You have to rewrite. Rewrite means write again the following sentences, putting the capital letters where necessary. You try to do this activity. Now, shall we move on to the next activity? Activity number 2. Rewrite the following essay with correct capitalization. This is an essay, but the essay has written without using capital letters. You read this essay carefully and put the capital letters where necessary. Before doing activity number 1 and activity 2, you remind what we learnt in our lesson, capitalization, and try to do these 2 activities. Wish you all the best.